Hello friends, let's continue our exercises on finding the missing term. Here is one of the questions from the competitive exams. So let's take this series that's shown on the screen. We have the numbers 3, 10, 101 and we have to find the fourth number. If you take a look at this pattern, this does not follow a differential series. We looked at triangular patterns, differential patterns, as well as the geometric patterns. If you look at this, there is a correlation to a geometric pattern here. Between these two numbers, the correlation is that if you take it, 10 could be written as 3 square plus 1, which will be 9 plus 1, that is 10. And if you take the next series, it could be 10 square plus 1, which is 100 plus 1, 101. So the way how it works is that the number is square of the preceding number plus 1. So the final number should be 101 square plus 1, which will be 10201 plus 1. That will be 10202. So predominantly it is following the previous number, square of previous number plus 1. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to find more of such problems.